In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use an IKEA gift card with our comprehensive step-by-step guide. Whether you've just received an IKEA gift card as a gift or are looking to use up the remaining balance, this guide will ensure you make the most of it while enjoying a seamless shopping experience. Let's start by checking your gift card balance. This is a crucial first step as you want to know exactly how much you have to spend. You can do this easily by visiting the IKEA website specific to your country. Once you're there, look for the option that says Check Gift Card Balance. You'll be prompted to enter your gift card number and the PIN. Remember, the PIN can usually be found on the back of the card. You'll need to scratch off the silver area to reveal it. As a tip, if you find yourself in an IKEA store, you can ask a cashier to help check the balance for you. Now, once you know your balance, let's move to how you can use your IKEA gift card in-store. Keep your physical or digital gift card ready and present it to the cashier when you're checking out with your purchases. The cashier will then scan the barcode or manually enter the card number. The cost of your items will be deducted from your gift card balance. If your total exceeds the amount on your gift card, no need to worry. Simply pay the difference using cash, a debit, or a credit card. If you prefer online shopping, using your IKEA gift card online is straightforward as well. Start by going to your country's IKEA website and begin adding your desired items to your shopping cart. Once you're ready, proceed to checkout. When it's time to choose your payment options, select Gift Card. You'll then enter the gift card number and PIN. The system will automatically deduct the correct amount from your order total. A handy tip here, if you have multiple IKEA gift cards, you can generally combine them at checkout by entering each one separately. Next, if you don't end up using the full gift card balance, that's perfectly fine. The remaining balance will stay on your card for future purchases. Most IKEA gift cards don't expire, but it's worth double-checking the terms for your specific country. Make sure to keep your card or your email receipt safe for your next shopping spree. Before we wrap up, here are a few pro tips. IKEA gift cards often can't be used to purchase other gift cards. Also be aware that in some countries, online usage may not be available, so always check your local IKEA policy beforehand. Lastly, if your card is lost or stolen, contact IKEA immediately. Having proof of purchase will be handy. And there you have it. Thank you for watching. And now you're all set to enjoy shopping with your IKEA gift card both in-store and online.